can turn that clapping into snapping if you want. And then just feel that. Why don't we take a Tai Chi moment, in fact, if you want to. Bring your fingertips and curl your fingers in and take your fingernails and put them together and just rub back and forth vigorously as we prepare ourselves for meditation, as we prepare ourselves for this time. Then you can shake your hands out, rub them together again. Now just feel that energy, feel that. That's the chi. Relaxing into this moment, each in our own way, we allow ourselves to arrive this morning for the practice. Knowing that there is no thing this morning that is about a performance. Each element is about a practice. Spirit through sound, spirit as harmony, song, the life-giving power of the word, every note that is played like a tuning fork. We acknowledge the collective consciousness that's come here together for the practice this morning. We acknowledge that power. Where two or more are gathered, there am I in the midst. I, the unified oneness. Where two or more are gathered, there is oneness. When two or more come together spiritually in acknowledgement of the truth, we know there is only one of us. That we are all part of a living system, a living energy, a living field of mind that is beyond definition, beyond explanation, beyond words. It has many names, but it needs no name at all. So right where we are, we take a collective inhale and exhale. Letting the shoulders relax, the spine become long, the crown of the head high. Feeling the energy in the ground, the energy in your fingertips. Today I celebrate a revival of the spirit within me. I come home to my truth, my joy, my soul family. I was never lost, I was becoming. And now I rise again with soul shine. God is the everywhere evenly present spirit of absolute good. We breathe into this truth in the sacred silence. Lean into that stillness. Know and trust there is so much beyond our physical sight. Like a tuning fork, from this sanctuary, there's a river that rolls out. It is connected like a tuning fork to the silence in the homes of everyone who is with us beyond the walls right now. In Boulder and Evergreen, Colorado, in California, on the East Coast. So we simply allow ourselves this moment of unity to breathe into the heart center as if we were inhaling and exhaling from the very heart itself. May this being experience coherence. May there be a mighty harmonizing from head to toe. May the radiance of love move from center to circumference. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that we are born blessed and we are here to be a blessing. In honor of the lives we've been given and the time and the form, we give this life. Gently bowing to seal the practice. Namaste.